Nutritious and delicious lunch ideas that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also fuel your body with goodness. If you're tired of the same old lunch routine, you're in for a culinary adventure. Let's dive in. Grilled chicken wrap. Our first lunch idea is a grilled chicken wrap. Grill seasoned chicken breast and wrap it up with hummus, spinach, tomatoes, and cucumbers in a whole grain wrap. It's a portable delight that's both satisfying and packed with protein. Sweet potato and chickpea bootable. Next is our sweet potato and chickpea bootable for a hearty and wholesome option. Roast sweet potato cubes and chickpeas with cumin and paprika. Mix with avocado slices and drizzle with tahini. A bowl full of goodness that will keep you energized throughout the day. Salmon and avocado salad. Switching gears to something fancier, how about a salmon and avocado salad? Bake or pan-sear salmon fillets with lemon and herbs. Toss with mixed greens and avocado slices, and drizzle with a vinaigrette. It's not only delicious, but a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Mediterranean Lentil Salad. Moving on to a Mediterranean-inspired delight, try our Mediterranean Lentil Salad. Combine cooked lentils with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and feta cheese. Toss it with olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, and a pinch of salt. It's a refreshing and protein-packed option. Turkey and vegetables lettuce wraps. Light yet satisfying. Our turkey and veggie lettuce wraps are a winner for a delightful lunch. Cook ground turkey with taco seasoning. Spoon it onto large lettuce leaves. And top it with diced tomatoes, bell peppers, avocado, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. A low-carb option that doesn't skimp on flavor. Shrimp and mango salad. Let's add a touch of tropical flair with our shrimp and mango salad. Sauté shrimp with lime juice and cilantro. Combine it with diced mango, its greens, and red onion. Drizzle the ensemble with a light citrus dressing to experience a burst of flavors that perfectly embodies summer. Caprese brown rice bowl. Last, but not least, we have the caprese brown rice bowl. Cook brown rice, let it cool, and mix it with cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's a classic combination with a wholesome twist. Nutritious and delicious lunch ideas to upgrade your midday meals. Feel free to mix and match, get creative. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these ideas inspiring, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!